Hi, I'm Dédé Wilson. We have assembled our Ooni Pro. I can see my breath, so I want to get it cranked up. We're about to fire it up for the first time, which you should do prior to cooking. So we're not cooking this time, we're just seasoning it. So the first thing that you do is while the unit is cold, you're going to reach up here and there is a vent and you want to make sure the vent is open, and it is. Then I'm going to come up here to the chimney. I'm going to remove the chimney cap. And this is controlling the airflow in our chimney. If we bring this to a horizontal position, that's going to retard the airflow. I want full on airflow, so I'm going to have that up and down. I'm going to put my gloves back on because it's so cold. And I'm going to put my full door on because I want it to be closed, and the thermometer is also going to be interesting to watch. So come around back now and I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We have this little hatch here in the back, easy to lift off. In here, this area here is what's used for holding charcoal or wood. We're going to use charcoal right now. And I'm going to put on my nice big Ooni gloves just so that I don't get my hands all messy with charcoal. So I've got some lump charcoal. You don't want to use briquettes. You don't want to use anything that has any kind of petroleum products, anything like that in it. So it's just a little bit of lump charcoal. That's good. And then you can either use a fire starter, or they mention using a blowtorch. And anytime I could use my propane torch, it's a good day. So we are going to do that, and we are just going to take some time here to get this going. Look at those coals. They're looking really good. Fire's going wonderfully. We're going to close it up. We're going to come around to the front. We can see that our thermometer is already climbing. So what you want to do on this inaugural run, which is seasoning the oven, is you want to get it up really hot and run it for about 30 minutes. Let's just take a look inside, just a peek. Check that out. Cannot wait to launch our pizzas, so that will come soon.